Hey everyone, this video is being made to show you how to take advantage of the Unibot Solana bot. This is something that will help you execute your orders way faster than having to go to sorry ass Radium or hoping that the token developer created a liquidity pool for Jupiter, which is much better than Radium. So no more hoping and wishing. It's going to access all the different pools that are possible for the specific contract that you are trying to get into. So now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to join the Black Lion Kings Discord. All right, the link is in the description below. Secondly, you're going to go to the Shitcoin Memecoin premium group. You're going to have to join the group through coffee.com. The link will be in the description below. I will actually post the link to the Unibot. Once this video is posted, it will be connected to the link for Unibot as well as the video. So from there, you'll be able to see it in the open chat. I'll put it up there somewhere. So forget what I said about that before. You will have to join the premium Shitcoin Memecoin group, which at the moment costs $15 for the group, and from there you'll be able to access all these different calls that we make on a daily basis, and join us in this meme coin market madness. All right. So you're going to go into, once you're able to get access to the Unibot link, you're going to select the link there, visit the site. This is all for mobile. It's going to give you this page. And first thing you're going to need to do when you get here, you're going to be met with this page and your balance is probably going to say 0.00. All right. So first thing you're going to need to do is get some Solana from either your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet, or whichever wallet you use for your Solana transactions. And you're going to want to go into let's see, you're going to want to select, where is it, withdrawal tokens, view detailed information, configure your settings. You're going to want to go into your main homepage, right where it says Solana and the little E. You're going to have to go to the start. You're going to either click on the menu and click on trade on Solana on Unibot, or you're going to do / start, and it'll take you to the same place. Okay. From there, you're going to take the wallet address at the top, click on it. Click on it to copy. Then you're going to go into your Phantom wallet and use that to send your Solana into this wallet. It should take no more than 2 minutes, depending on your internet connection, and you'll see a balance there. You're going to want to have at least 0.1 in order to use this this bot, even just to try it out. Okay, because you're going to have your slippage fees and you're going to have your gas fees to deal with as well. All right, so once you have your Solana in your wallet, you're going to select you're gonna select configure your settings. Okay, this menu will pop up. Where it says fast turbo and custom fee, you're gonna want to keep it on turbo. The fee isn't very much for the settling fee. Okay. The next, you're going to click on buy settings. You're going to want to set this up. You're going to want to select, depending on how many or how much per trade you're going to want to put in. You're not going to want to put in a lot. So if you're coming in with, say, $50, you're going to want to make each of your transactions $1 a piece, honestly, because it's going to take, like I say in the group, it's going to take, you're going to hit 1 out of every 10 successfully. Our group is a little bit more successful than that. It has gotten, we have made it a lot more efficient, but just, you're going to want to come in with that perspective that you're going to hit 1 out of every 10. So you don't want to blow your wallet off of 2 or 3 or even 5 trades by you come in with $50 and your every trade is $10. All right. Trying to get rich quick. Yes, this can help you make money fast, but It's going to take a lot of hits and misses. And I'm going to also show you how to manage those potential misses, the ones that end up rugging. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you an anti-rugging method. Okay, and that's why we're using the Unibot. We're using the Unibot. We're using this Unibot bot in order to minimize our losses and minimize the damage and stay in the game. We want to stay afloat until we get to shore, so to speak. So back to what we were saying, the buy amounts, you can change them however you want. You also want to change the buy slippage. You're gonna want to at least change it. I have it at 10, and 10 usually works, but you're gonna want to have it at least 20. So you hit 20 and then hit send, and you can see buy slippage shows 20%. Me personally, I use 0.05 per trade. If I really like, what's going on with the specific meme coin or shit coin, then I'll put it up to 0.1. Okay. All right. So once you have that settled, we're going to go back, and now we're going to go into sell settings. Okay. And you're going to do something very similar, but now you're going to set your sell percentages. 50, 75. I like to sell after I make 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x, whatever ends up happening. I like to sell 75% and let the rest run. All right, and then your sell slippage, it shouldn't be 1%. I should at least have 10%. Excuse me. I'm gonna set it to 20. All right, because when you're ready to get out, you're gonna want to exit. And some people are gonna tell you, if you watch any other videos, they're gonna tell you set it to 100, set it to 300% to make sure that you get out of a possible trade that can potentially go south very quickly, because that's what happens in the shitcoin world. Tokens go south very fast. Again, I'm gonna show you how to handle that. All right, so hit back after you set your sell slippage. You can set it to confirm trades or not. Or you can have it auto buy, auto sell, depending on your desires for how fast you want to get in and get out of a trade. I like to confirm the trade. I want to make sure I'm actually buying the right token. Sometimes you'll see eventually if you have your token set to filtered by value, then depending on which token is worth more at the moment, it flips the tokens around in the list. And as you can see here, depending on how much you have or how much is in each one, it can change. The price and the value of each one can change. Okay, so you're going to want to, I would keep it at, let's go back, sorry, configure settings. You're going to want to keep it at confirm trade. P&L values, yeah, you want to see your P&L values before and after. Chart previews, yes, it gives you the option. Once you select a token, it gives you the option to go in to the DEX screener. Excuse me. I don't know if it'll let me. Oh, there it is. It popped up late. Allows you to click on DEX screener, and it gives you the link to go into the DEX screener. So that's what that's for. Once you have your settings set up, you're going to go into the Black Lion King Shitcoin Meme Coin Premium group. You're going to take a look at the most recent thing I'm posting up, and you are, let's say, for example, let's go into Moya's already done. I believe Mochi's already done. We're going to go into Whale. Let's see if I can find Whale for you. We found Whale AI. You're going to click on DEX screener. And this is typically how I post it. The first time I post something, if I'm trying to get everybody in as quickly as possible, I'm going to just post the DEX screener link, and then I'm going to slowly add in the rest of the information. I'm pretty bullish on this one. I bought more at around 150K. It dipped down to about 88K earlier, but I am bullish on this one. This one isn't necessarily a shit coin. It's more of a utility coin that I found in the shitcoin arena. And this is also a place, DEX screener and shitcoin is also a great place to find up and coming utility tokens. Okay, we'll go over all that in another video. But you're gonna go in, once you get into DEX screener, you see where it says Whale right there. You're gonna click that little copy icon next to Whale. You're gonna go back into Unibot. You're gonna press menu. You're gonna press buy token. All right, then it says enter a token symbol or buy address. Paste the address in there, and it brings up all the information for it. Okay, by Whale, it shows the contract address. It shows your balance and how much you actually have in your wallet at the moment. It shows the price of the token, shows the liquidity in the token, and then MC is market cap at 137K. Then in 30-minute and 24, it shows how much is up or down at the time, and it also shows renounced or renounced contract, which is a good thing with a check mark, or mintable, which is, you want to see that they can't mint any more tokens. It's not in this one. I'm not sure why. But anyways, so after you have that information taken care of, and now you can see it's automatically set to swap. That's how you do a market order at the current price that shows here. Okay. And I have it automatically set on 0.05. You can select one, whatever your presets are. You can select that, and then it'll show you the price impact up here. If we did 1 SOL, the price impact would change to 1.1%. Okay, 1 SOL is at $184. Okay, we're gonna go back to 0.05. All right, then you're gonna set your slippage at whatever you feel comfortable doing, and then you're gonna click buy. And for this example, we're gonna buy. Let's see what, just for this example, since I already have enough, we're gonna do 0.01. Okay, then we're gonna click buy. Then you're gonna see where it says fetch quote from Jupiter. Okay, transaction sent. If all your settings are set correctly, your purchase is gonna go through and it's gonna say buy success. Then you click on view tokens, and it'll show you, it usually starts with the top 4 based on value. It's gonna show you for whale here. Oops, copy. It's going to show you all the new information. It's going to show your buys, how many buys you had in it, your balance, any sales that you had, your profit and loss for that particular token as well. Okay, from here, you're going to be able to, what we're going to do is set a limit order in order to protect our quote unquote investment. Everything's an investment, even if it's shitcoin that can go to zero in 5 minutes. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on whale again, whichever token you just purchased. You're going to wait for the DEX screener link to pop up. Click on the DEX screener link, and then at the bottom, if you're on your phone, you're going to see a little chart button at the bottom. We're going to go into the chart, and we're going to find support. We're going to find where support is. So say we buy at, we're going to click on the market cap button to get a better visual of where the market's at. The current price is at 150K. Okay, so we're going to say, all right, I don't want this to go to 0, but ideally, if you have been in my group for a long time, or if you're even new into my group, I talk about stop losses all the time. And this is no different. We're going to set a stop loss. Let's just say it gets rugged. I don't think this project will get rugged, but who knows? There's thousands of projects per day that are created, and this one just happens to be, going pretty well. But let's just say we're willing to lose only 20% on our trade. So let's go down to $120,000 market cap. It'll take us out, and we'll lose say 20-30% instead of getting rugged, and we lose our say you put $10 in, $20 in, instead of losing all that, we're only going to lose a few dollars. So let's go back to price, and we're going to figure out where that number would be for 120K. All right, so it's probably somewhere 0012. All right, for the price, we're going to go back into the bot. We're going to select menu. We're going to select sell token. It's going to give you a list of all the different tokens that you're in. Okay. Then you're going to select whale. That's the one we got in. All right. Then it's going to give you all the information as before, as if you're about to sell. You're going to, instead of swap, you're going to select limit, because this is a limit order. All right. We're going to say 100%. We're just out of this trade. We're done with this token, right? Because you're going to have to do this for every token you get into. When you get into the tokens that are listed in the shitcoin Memecoin premium group, every one of them, you're going to want to do this to protect your investment. Okay, we're going to keep the slippage at 20% as we made in our preset. Okay, then our trigger price, as we said before, is going to be 0.0012. We're saying we're only going to lose 25% or 10-15% in this case. All right, that's all we're willing to stomach for this trade, and that's all we're willing to stomach for any of these trades. And if it hits your stop loss and then it bounces up, so be it. We're going to wait for the next trade to come in. Okay, and then you're going to leave the expiry to 5 days or however long you think it'll take to hit that number. And then you're going to hit create order. All right, once you create order, it'll say limit order place. And now you can click on the view limit order button. And now it shows all your different orders that you set. And you can do this for a sell price too. Now, if you think for a higher sell price, now, if you think this token is going to go to say, let's just say it goes to $1 million right there. All right, we're going to go to price, and it's probably going to be 0.1. You can do the same thing and get executed very quickly. Now, I use this trick usually within the first 10-15 minutes of a token. Say I get in really early at 10K, and I'll be like, all right, I want to at least hit a 2x or 3x on it, so I'm going to set my sell order at, say, $30,000 market cap, or 0.003 in this case, and I'll instantly get once it, even if it wicks up crazy, has a crazy wick up, you should get executed, because those are people who set limit orders, because the smart people that are using this bot, they'll create a sell limit order, get a 2x out of it, let the rest run, and if it goes to zero, it goes to zero, they got their money back out. Sometimes you can get a 3x, 5x, 10x, 20x out before it dips down and goes to zero. Sometimes these tokens go to 100K, depending on how much liquidity they have in their token. So that's another strategy I use for getting in and getting out of a token hardly scathed. All right, so I'm going to close that because that was just for an example. And that's how you protect your shitcoin investments and stay afloat and continue to trade, half a dozen or, dozens of the shitcoin trades. And this is just on Solana. There's a lot of volume coming into base, so I post some base tokens, and there's a video in my video collection showing how to trade a base token and add the base network, decentralized network, to your favorite wallet, MetaMask in particular. We have many different tokens that we get on a daily basis, and again, as I said, we're a little bit more efficient than 1 out of 10 that I promised this group when we first created it. The process has gotten so much better, finding these entries, getting in and out, 2, 3, 5, 10. Had a 15x a few days ago, much more efficient. So if you want to join this group and get these, join us in this Memecoin madness, then the link will be in the description below. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, you know where to find us. Join the Discord and come join the chat. And thanks for watching.